Yeah, one of the things is that they don't understand why the house isn't worked on every single day.
Hmm.
And so one of the things, I mean, I used to get phone calls, no one's been there for 5 days. Well, everybody is on a schedule. And so just because one contractor finishes a little early doesn't mean another contractor can move their schedule and get that contractor in to do that thing. There are probably 15 to 20 different contractors that come in and work on that house. It's
Oh,
when
wow.
you hire a builder, that builder doesn't do everything. All what he's doing is he's organizing and scheduling and ordering all of the supplies and everything that are needed for it to run as smoothly as possible. But there are times that an electrician will finish early. Or the plumber will finish early, but the electrician can't get there for several more days just because of the way their schedules work. And there's an order in which things have to go. It's called critical path, and so you can't pull wire in a framed house unless the roof is on. There's all kinds of little rules like that, and so you cannot get one contractor in there before another one. You also can't have them all on top of each other. They will get mad and leave. That's what
Really?
you don't want. Yes. And then, they can get, some of them are quite cantankerous. And so, usually a general contractor works with the same subcontractors all the time, and they know their ways and they know their crew and that sort of thing. So I always try to explain to somebody, whenever I'm sitting down with them with new construction, there are going to be times that you're going to come to me and say, no one has been at this house for 10 days. And it is because of the schedule. That is just the blanket answer right there. Another question that I get, well, concern or comment that I get a lot is, well, if the builder isn't done on time, can we charge him a per day fee? Well, you can ask, but right now builders are so busy that they'll just say, no, I don't want to build for you. Go find somebody else. And because we are having such a problem with subcontractors not having the help that they need, and with supplies not being readily available, builders have no control over when this house is going to be done. And as much as they want to get done with it too, because every day that they keep that construction loan is ticking away money. The closer you get to the end of the construction loan, the higher they're paying, because they've drawn out money to pay all the subcontractors. So at the end of the loan, they've got $400 borrowed out, and they're paying interest on that much money. They want to get it done too, but they cannot be fined. It's just impossible to hold them to that.